Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Our Philippine Adventure. Just doing a quick video tonight before we leave here for the Philippines in a few days. This is around Sand Hollow State Park in Hurricane, Utah. I'll just pan around so you can see the red sand. They have like red sand dunes around here. I don't know, probably can't tell that it's red, but it's a deep red. And then over here is Sand Hollow. It's in Hurricane, Utah, southern Utah. This is where people go fishing, swimming, boating. It's not a very big lake, but gets people out on the water so they can have a little bit of fun. Can't really zoom in, so I can't really show you up close what it looks like. This is my car we sold to a neighbor. I gotta hand it off to him tomorrow. Anyway, that's about it for now. I'll do some more videos on Utah this weekend before we leave. So anyway, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later on. Thanks for watching. Bye.